Thank you, Pranesh. Also like to thank AIOC for the opportunity. Sharing my screen now. Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I'm going to play a video. The innovative resident. There are three terms that sound similar but are very different from each other: discover, invent, and innovate. While discover means to obtain sight or knowledge of something for the first time, invent means to produce for the first time through the use of imagination or ingenious thinking and experiment. Innovate means to make changes in something established, especially by introducing new methods, ideas, or products. So, what is innovation? It is an idea that has been transformed into practical reality or process to bring new ideas, new methods, or new products to an organization. Let's take an age-old example. If not for innovation, we would be exchanging monetary medium via barter system. In ophthalmology, let's take a few basic examples. Diagnostic innovations in the field of refraction led to the introduction of smartphone refractometers from the plane mirror retinoscope. The evolution of cataract extraction from couching to femtosecond laser due to the innovation in the surgical techniques. Now the question is, why do we need innovation? Innovation is important to us and the entire society as it can be time-saving, provide ease, better quality, affordable, accessible, and improved version altogether. The important questions to the smallest of the idea would be, will it make a positive difference? The main aim of innovation is to solve a real problem or an unmet need for the development and benefit of the society. How can we innovate? It is by a thorough understanding through direct observation of what people want and need in their lives and what they like or dislike about the way particular products are made. All we need is to find a problem statement with an inquisitive mind and work on it further. So now, where to find the problem? We can find problems everywhere around us, but it is important to address the right problem, which can benefit both the doctor and the patient. The problem should address a large audience and should solve real problems. As a resident, when we start fresh, our inquisitive minds can search many such problem statements easily in our daily lives, work which seems to be often ignored by others who have made peace at these common problems around. Don't look for a great idea, look for a good problem. When should you innovate? There is no particular date or time to innovate. One doesn't need any extra time to search a new problem and find a solution to it. It's a part of our daily life, and just by focusing on the real problems, you can innovate the simplest of solutions. So let's stop giving excuses to ourselves and be in constant search or thought of it. Because these problems are right in front of us, we just need to fill the gaps of the jigsaw puzzle. Now for the main question, who can innovate? The answer is anyone and everyone. We are all different in our own way, have our own different creativity or art of doing things. We all have certain unknown qualities which we need to find out. Every person will have a different approach to a certain problem, and that's where all of us can innovate in their own possible way. People who want to innovate need to make it their priority. It should be a skill combined with a will. Few important lessons that I have learned during my journey of innovation. First is to be yourself. Second, stay away from negative people who would always laugh at your ideas. Be surrounded by positive people who are going to lift you higher. Mentoring is important. It could be anybody, like it could be your parents who will support you, your friends who will push you for doing new things, or your teachers who can guide you with their expertise. So always think positive, stay away from negativity because they will always hold you back. Talking about my journey into innovation, I was always passionate about photography and was that inquisitive kid since childhood who would just want to create something useful from waste products. which would be lying unused. I love to create something new and show it to my friends when I was in school. Then I met my mentor, my friend, John Sir, during my post-graduation, who saw that I was just focusing on my career and not doing things which I was really passionate about. He suggested me to introduce my photography skills into ophthalmology and create something which would make me enjoy my work even more. This led to my 3 innovations, which were all related to photography and smartphones. Those are flash to pressure red cam, anti-segment photography with intraocular lens, and IOL scope. They were all do-it-yourself, cost-effective, innovative products from just a simple idea. These were all published under the innovation section of Indian Journal of Ophthalmology. IGO has published many such amazing innovation articles and are perfect for any beginner to drive their inspiration from. Simple innovations which gives the best results are the greatest innovation. If the product is good enough, then you should go forward with patency and also get it published in a reputed journal. I would like to say, innovations are the bricks laid by each one of us to lay a foundation that will turn into a beautiful monument in the future. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Prithvi. I think the presentation itself is